Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag washer water valve. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water valve. The water valve is what lets the hot and cold water into the washing machine. The main reason to be changing it out is if either of the solenoids has gone bad, the valve is clogged up, or it's cracked and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to get to the water valve, we have to go to the back of the machine. Before you take the hoses off, you want to put a towel down on the floor to soak up any water that may come out. And then we're going to grab our pliers and take off the hot and cold water hoses. Now we can use our 5/16 nut driver and take out the screw that holds in this panel. And then we can pull the panel out so we can get to the water valve. Now that we have the water valve out of the back of the washer, we can unplug the solenoids. Remember, the blue and the white one go on the bottom, and the orange and the white ones go on the top. If you notice your wires are corroded like these, make sure you try to clean up the connections as much as possible. Next, we're going to take all the wires out from behind this little clip. All you have to do is pull them out. Now that we have the wires off, we can grab our pliers and move this clamp up so we can take the hose off. Now that we have it out of the way, all we have to do is pull the hose out. Here's the old water valve next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. We'd have to change over this metal housing onto the new one. So we're going to use our 5/16 nut driver to remove these two screws. You'll notice on the new valve that they don't thread these holes, so when we put these screws on, we'll have to push down pretty hard to get them to go through the metal. Once you have the bracket switched over, we can put it back into the washer. Now we can reach inside and grab the water hose and reconnect it to the water valve. Make sure you push it all the way down, and then if this clamp is rusted pretty bad, ours isn't that bad, but it's a little rusted. If yours is pretty bad, you want to put a new one on there. Now that we have the clamp on, we can reconnect the wire harnesses. First, we want to get the wire harnesses up underneath this clip. And then we can hook the top solenoid up. Remember, it was the orange and the white. And the bottom, which was the blue and the white. Once you have everything connected, we can rotate it around and put the screw in that holds it in place. We're going to use our 5/16 nut driver to put that back in. Once you have the panel on and mounted, we can reconnect the water hoses. The C is obviously cold, so we're going to put that one on the bottom. And put the hot on the top. Once you get them on most of the way, you can grab your pliers and tighten them up so you don't get any leaks. Now that we have the part installed, we can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.